How you feeling? Yeah? Mama, how are you feeling? We just came out the water. Beautiful. A lot of activities, entertainment, swimming, drums, trips, tours. That's what I mean by trips. So boats come in, they pick up the people on the beach, then they take them to wherever they want to go. Beautiful here. It's a nice evening. It's the 22nd, Saturday the 22nd of February 2025 in this Worldschooling travel destination video blog. I hope that you're enjoying it, enjoying this, and just sharing with you our journey. And it's basically around homeschooling, travel schooling, and world schooling adventures. Okay, Dalia did her homeschooling today, this morning, from around 10 until 1 p.m. 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. She does homeschooling every day, wherever she is, either at home or on the move. She don't take a break, because 2.5 hours, this is statistics, you might have seen it in our other videos or heard it in our other videos. 2.5 hours of homeschooling per day is equivalent to 8 hours of a regular school day. Okay, so imagine what your child or children can do with the remainder of time every single day. And not to mention that some of them still go to school on Saturday to play catch up, to do extra lessons. Okay, so beautiful. We did our entrepreneurial works online this morning as well. We do that all 7 days a week as well. Getting some hours this morning I did while they were doing travel schooling, but homeschooling in the sense from the lodge where we're staying. Then I was cooking. I have another video with that, you can go and check it out, for cooking while travel and world schooling. It's very, very convenient. I save a lot of time and headache and money, and also help you to take care of your health, which is your wealth. So that's when I was simultaneously, concurrently cooking, and while the pot was brewing, after, you know, you prepare everything and the pot is brewing, I was working online. And then in the afternoon, this afternoon, we took another hour rest. Okay, so we're well rested, we're strong, we're just ready for life. And we came out here from 3 to 5. It's almost 5, we got maybe another 30 minutes. And then the swimming session will be done. So when you think we're just swimming and running around and moving around, it's a program. We have a program, okay? A strict productivity program for homeschooling, travel schooling, and world schooling parents and families. Okay, my wife and I devised it, concocted it, built it, proved it, tested it, threw away what wasn't working and kept what was, and kept building just like that until we have a solid program that we can take between the three of us, within our hearts, to whichever country we touch down. We implement this program like clockwork, rinsing and repeating it every 24 hours with every brand new day. Okay, so this is Mervyn and my wife Kathy and my daughter. They're looking to get braiding. Beautiful. Wow. No. Yeah. Wow, you can braid her, she likes it. Yeah, so that's my little video for you. I love making videos. This is my thing. Okay, you've got to find what's your thing in life. Don't force nothing. Hello. Yeah, I'm making a little video. Jambo, Hakuna Matata.
Africa, yeah?
Africa. Bella.
African.
Yeah, I'm from Belize.
Benin.
Belize came from Africa.
Oh,
Belizeans came from Africa.
Welcome.
History. Yeah.
Okay, now.
Very good. I was out here swimming. We're done. My daughter, I don't know if they will do some braiding for her. Yeah, we did. We are here 6 days. We did 4 tours already, so we're resting.
Okay.
We went to Mikumi.
Yes,
We went to Timbatu. We went to Nakopenda.
Yes.
We went to Memba.
Okay.
Well, we're tired. You see how I'm sunburnt up? Sunburnt up. Getting back my real color. I live in Italy, so my skin got soft. You understand what I mean? European life. Hakuna Matata, Asante Sana. My name is Mervin.
Moving.
Yeah, and you?
Girigiduma.
Huh?
Girigiduma.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're from the Masai tribe? Yeah.
Yeah, we have come from Tanzania.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. So,
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. I'm sorry, man. Today I'm not doing nothing. I'm just going home.
Yeah.
I cooked today. We chill out. We did some homework with my daughter.
Yeah.
And just chilling out. Yeah.
Hakuna Matata.
Take care.
Today you have our culture, the person with the name.
What's this?
Yeah, this is the pole pole. The meaning is slow.
Uh-huh.
And Hakuna Matata, the meaning is no worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this also.
Well, how much you sell one for?
Shilling dollars.
Huh?
And shilling dollar.
In shilling?
Oh, shilling, very good price.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is price. 20,000.
Huh?
20,000.
20,000?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What this one mean?
This is the Zanzibar.
Zanzibar,
and this
slow.
Yeah.
This is piano in
Piano,
Italian.
yeah.
Poli.
Yeah.
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
Poli.
Yes.
You like it? Look at this for souvenir. Look, it's cheap. Look. Look. If I buy more than one, you give me
Yes,
good price?
Yes, I can.
Look at this.
How much
He wanted 20 for 1,000, but
Yeah.
you can work a deal. It's very good for souvenir.
Yeah.
Look,
Ma you mean the bracelet?
the bracelet.
20,000 one bracelet.
Yeah.
She's gonna beat your price. You're gonna beat your price.
Come here every year, we know the price.
We're here 3 times.
Okay, how many pieces you need?
No,
Because
but
I can
first
do.
of all, I don't have money to
But
pay.
but
I left the money at home.
But I can do also with the name Konome. See?
Listen, I bought some bracelets for her friend,
Yeah.
and I paid
Pull it.
Yeah.
8,000, 10,000.
10,000.
Just like this. With
Okay.
the flag, with the Tanzania flag, the whole decoration.
Okay. So you need it for like this. How you need it for name? I can give for your money.
If you want us, listen to this.
Yeah.
If you want a special name written on it,
Yes.
you tell me the price.
Okay.
Then you tell me the day because we are here some day.
Yeah.
And we meet you right back here and we bring the money for you.
Yeah. Okay.
You
Listen.
understand?
Yeah. So you buy 10 for one.
10 for one,
Yes, 10 for one, 10 for one. So you buy 3, 30, free like.
30 for 3.
Yes.
Okay?
25.
No.
I don't have money here today.
No,
I told
we
you.
are not saying that. We are saying now we will give him the job to make 3 with names.
But these are good. These are good.
This good?
I just want to pay you 25,000 for 3.
But con nome o questo?
No, questo.
Questo, va bene.
Domani però.
Oggi no.
No, I don't have money.
No, we didn't bring it.
You didn't bring money?
But we are not going to lie to you.
No.
No, we don't do that. We don't tell you to get rid of you. Because if
Fammi vedere quanto sono grandi.
if that was the case,
Yeah.
we would tell you no.
Okay.
We don't do that.
All right.
Sì, vanno bene i bambini, dai, sono per i suoi amici.
Questo,
Aspetta che guardo, che devo passare.
Yeah, let her look.
Se ce l'hai, mi vuole.
Let her look.
Tutti senza soldi. Guarda. Questo per il tuttone. La lavanderia.
But you got more at the house for the tuk-tuk. When you go in, you can get it for Roger and give him that.
Ok, dai, dammene 3.
3.
Allora mi dai un pole,
Pollo.
una Hakuna Matata
Questo pollo.
e un Zanzibar.
Questo.
Ok.
Hello. You came late.
Mattias is not around anymore.
We just made a deal.
He went to Arusha. Zanzibar.
In Zanzibar. Yes.
Three for 25?
See.
Give me back 5 then.
25?
3 for 20.
25.
Ah.
Eh? No, dai.
You're playing smart. No?
Free, dai. No, dai. You know in Italy we pay less. This
But
thing.
I sell it for 10.
No, dai, 25 because I bought 3.
Not 20.
But you say 25, okay. So now you can.
This is negotiation. Full of negotiation. We're in business right now.
Dai. Dai.
I'm good. No, I'm sorry. We didn't bring enough money, so we are just spending the last money. Serious, the last. We didn't bring enough. We just came to swim.
It's not expensive.
Hey, but I don't. How can I buy without the money?
Give me a roll.
We just brought money for tuk-tuk, honestly, because we're swimming. So if they took the bag, they would get nothing. 3 of us were swimming.
So
we did. So we just give him the last money. See?
you will be here tomorrow?
Now we come sometime because we are working at a school with Francesca. A school over Pajani. Yeah, so we go different places. Like yesterday we were at the fish market. So we were swimming there by the fish market. Then we ate there. Then the day before we were at Kenwa. So we will see. But I can't make promises, man.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, man. Thank you. So we're negotiating and purchasing and supporting. It is crazy. You gotta wits with you. You have to have strong negotiation tactics. Anyway, so I was making my video. I'm concluding now. You got some bonus there in this travel, world schooling and travel destination video vlog. This one I said before is Nungwi, and you will see it around on some signs in the video. Nungwi Beach, beautiful. And then Nungwi Beach, Tanzanite Beach, Kenwa Beach, Pajani Beach, a lot of beaches. So you have to hopscotch to the different beaches. Lots of beaches. It's Tanzania and it's the Indian Ocean. Hey, this is Mervin. Thank you so much for watching this other video. I make videos like clockwork, okay? This is my thing, as I said. I love doing this. I do it for my daughter. I do it for myself, my own website, and I do it for my daughter's business. I've got several YouTube channels, secret channels, might I add. This day and age, you have to move in secret because there's a lot going on the internet. A lot of trolling and a lot of hating and haters. So whenever you move, okay, make sure you protect content, release the content that you want to be released. They can do what they want with that, and make sure you have what I call your membership sites, okay? Membership business. They cannot get behind that membership wall or that pay wall without paying. You gotta pay to get back there to get that content, okay? That's an additional bonus as well for you. Thank you so much. Beautiful. Signing out. See you in another one soon.